Hi, welcome back once again to the world of knowledge that is Bluebell Academy. Hope you're doing safe with your studies at home. Once again, by seeing this background, you may come to know what we are going to learn today. My dear students, this is a very beautiful and interesting and inspiring motivation story of one of your second language textbook, that is Colors of Silence, which is to be taken from the National Book Trust of India. In this one, colors of silence, in the sense how many things are there if you would not speak the things, what are the hidden things are with you with that one, that if you keep silence also, how it describes in the form of a beautiful color by means of a Satish Gujral's real life history, what he has spent and how the things will come up this one. Before starting this one, I'd let you know what is the importance exam point of view, and what is the characters present in that one, what a author want to give the message by this lesson. First of all, we start with this one. This is the story of a deaf boy who met with accident. Deaf boy is Satish Gujral. They went to the outing to the Kashmir. Then they met an accident. From there he returns to the house, stayed at home. He cannot hear properly, leg also damaged due to the heavy dose of medicines, overdose of medicine reactions, so that he cannot listen properly. For that reason, his father Avatar Narayan want to take him his school. There the school rejected him, and he felt very bad, and headmaster suggested that you can take your boy to the disabled school. But his father is not ready. Even the Satish Gujral, the Satish also not ready. Inder is his friend, Inder is his brother, and uh, Inder is his brother. So that is one more. Surender is also one character, is his friend, is there. I will let you know during explanation. And he is totally disagree with going to the other school. What happened at the end? By staying home, he want to read the books, do the calligraphy, and he is much interested in painting. This is the most important point of that one. He is much interested in painting. What happened? He is trying to draw one of the interesting turning point of his life is a bird which he saw continuously flying, hummingbird also we can call, long tail bird is there. By sitting at the hospital or at home, he saw the bird from the window, and that bird is continuously trying without a stop. He thought himself, and this is the motivation, inspiration to himself, that one. And that bird he draw in his book, many of the different pictures he draw. And he is totally showed his interest in drawing of the picture, where his father is not ready with him. So finally, he convinced by his art, and that he is a very good artist, and father agreed to that one. And he bought all the brushes and all. Very soon he get cure, and he admitted to the very good drawing school, and he has become a very good famous, and he has taken the many awards in the national, international also, in the drawing competition that is related to the 20th century's modern exhibition. He has won many of the awards in the national and international also. That's a simple story. Let's start with this one. How this story exam point of view, there is 3 marks question will come, and there might be a chances for the extract also come. This time the new pattern is there. Okay, let's start with that one. Very simple things are there, we'll try to understand this one. Satish story. Why didn't you come to school? Ask his friend in that is Surender. Okay, he came. He did not turn up for the many days school, and his friend come to ask, why you not come to the school? Surender had repeated the question 3 times before Satish heard him. He was lying on the bed, his eyes closed, sweat glistened on his brows. So he was not in a good condition to reply his friend. He asked the same question 3 times, but he did not reply. Why you did not come to the school? And his eyes are sweat one and glistened. Somehow it is to be in the not feeling good condition. No, I am not well, replied Satish after late. After asking three times, the reply comes from the Satish that one. He had been down with the something or the others. So he is suffering from one or another diseases after the return of his trip of Kashmir, in the sense not feeling good of that time. Okay, why? What's the matter with you, Satish? His friend asked with the concern. After the questioning of the Satish, surrender to his Satish to his friend that why what happened to you? Why did you did not turn off to the school? He said. It's a, it's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. What happened? Injury took place to the leg. Due to that overdose reactions, ear got damaged. He cannot hear properly. This is the reality when we will come to know in the later part of this lesson. I get operated on the leg. Okay, operated on the leg. He met with accident. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. In the sense, after the operation, I am not doing good and everything is very bad in my life. That is a idiom, dark and silent in my life. I feel miserable, very unlucky. But why? Why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. In the senses, Satish hears are not proper. He is asking the question in a louder voice, but Satish is not able to hear. And Satish asks that, why you are asking in a so soft way? That's question here. The hearing problem of Satish is raised. He cannot hear properly. Surender gave him a strange look. He got shocked. I am asking so louder and he is asking me, why are you speaking so soft? He got shocked. Who? Satish. Surender's sound. He had certainly not been speaking softly. He is not actually, certainly, actually, but in truth, not speaking softly. He is speaking so loudly. Has he lost his hearing? He questioned himself, Surender, that what? Has he lost his hearing? I am speaking so louder and he is telling me that why you are speaking so softly. Wondered Surinder, he got shocked. Poor Satish, he had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. When he come from the previous year, he went. I told you he has gone for the outing. There he met with the accident. Since the returning from that holidays, he met their accident. He admitted, a leg operated. His treatment start. Since then, one or another problem from his health issues concerned here. There had been an accident when he went hiking outing outside, walking into that particular place when they went into the Kashmir. His father and brother, Inder is a brother, father is also with him. They went into Kashmir. He fell asleep there. See one where he felt that one, where he fell. There were crossing a Rikti bridge, loose bridge, over some rapids, which is there, over from the rapids, and there there he met accident. What happened? Accident been rapids. The boy stood and looked down at the swelling water. Water is flowing. River. He is trying to watch that one. He want to see that one. What happened meanwhile? Rapid. Look how the water is rushing. He was seeing the spot. At the spot, stayed. Satish pointed out to his father. Satish pointed to his father. Just then, his foot slipped and losing his balance. Meanwhile, how the water is flowing, just he want to point out his father showing this one. His foot slip, and he fell down into the river flowing water, rapids. And screams were lost in the rushing water of the water. So he did not see what is going on surrounding me. He fell down and there is no conscious. He regained consciousness. His legs were in the plaster cast and his head hurt badly. He was bruised and aching all over. In the sense, all body got injured. Head and leg injury major it took place. Okay, and plaster where the injury is to be made over here. Though his leg healed, wounded, and they remained weak. very weak, so that he cannot required several operations on them. In the sense, major injury took on the leg side. Okay, worse is suffered frequently from the bouts of fever and infections, especially of the ear. What happened? Due to the injury, operated many several times or many times. Due to that reason only, high dose is to be given to them, and that high dose infected to the ear. That's why he cannot listen the properly. Due to that, the fever now and then he is facing, especially for the ear. Seeing that Satish was in pain, Surendra now got up to go. Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked. Who? Surendra. He asked. He come to visit his the friend. What happened to him? When the friend is not getting to the school, Satish, Surendra, his friend, he come to the school and he want to inquire that one whether you are coming to school tomorrow. He gave that one. Will you come to school tomorrow? Surendra asked to Satish. He asked. Satish shocked his head. Okay, I will come. A slow tear trickled down his cheek, started weeping, crying. Okay. After Surendra left, it felt as if some huge weight was pressing on his head, making everything seem far away and silent. So, some headache or pain, something pressing on the head. Due to that reason, he is feeling always uncomfort, always sad, always not saying something in the mood. That's the reason. Then he is silent always. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed. He is totally confined to bed. That one, not going anywhere, not meeting, not talking, and not going anywhere. Also, the silence was the worst. Silence was worse, so that he cannot speak a single word due to his ill health of problem hearing. Also, the operated leg infected of all the body due to the heavy dose of infections of that is medicines. He wanted to scream to break the silence, but didn't. He want to say something, but he is unable to say. Why? For the 8-year-old boy. Say, remember, 8 years. Satish age is here 8-year-old. This was terrible. The doctor didn't know the cause. What happened actually? Leg is problem with that one, and he can't hear. What is the problem? Doctor little confused over here. It was caused by the medicines given to treatment his leg. I told you already. Medicines given to treatment of his leg, he is caused extra dose and infected to the ears. He cannot listen properly. Due to the frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father, that Mr. Avatar Narayan, his father, okay, that they couldn't keep Satish. We don't want to keep your child in our school, for the long absent problem is there, and he is also unable to hear. We will have to look for a new school. We, the father here, Satish and father, have to look for the new school. He said, in the sense, father said. Satish shook his head, saying, "No, I don't want to attend the new school. Reason behind it, I have to adjust the new environment. Already, new environment, it is there for me. I can't adjust with that." He didn't want to go to the school where he could talk to the other children, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. He can't say, he can't listen, and he don't want to make himself his fun. For that reason, he is not ready to go to the other school. Remember this one, he is not ready due to that one. Beta, you have to go to the school and learn it. Father is suggesting, beta, you have to go and other school, you have to learn it. What will you do in life if you don't get education? If you not learn, if you not educate, if you not growth in the studies and learn, what you will do in your life? Father asked to the Satish. He asked his son. Satish heard snatches of his words, but knew. But Satish cannot hear properly what is father trying to convince, is trying to say him, because he can't hear properly. No, he was saying, after a lot of precautions, okay, after taking lot of remedies, precautions, or the steps, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. Okay, I can go. What happens here? But this school didn't want him for a same reason in the sense, he can't listen it properly. This is a school for normal boys. What is the difference between disabled and normal? Now Satish is in disabled condition, and the school is for the normal boys, saying that one. Why don't you take your son for the school for deaf and headmaster suggesting that one. This is school for the normal boys. Your son is unable to hear properly. Why can't you take a deaf and dim school, deaf and dumb school anta? So he said, father, that is headmaster to the Satish Gujral father Avatar Narayan. Children, ask the headmaster of the school, plenty Hughes. Avatar Narayan was angered. Father got angry. Why you are treating me, my son, like this? He's not deaf and dumb. He's trying to convince the headmaster. My son is not dumb, sir. He can say something. He's not. He's having little problem. Sir. His hearing is little bad. Hearing is little bad. He can hear, but not in the partial way. He can hear, but hear. It's not totally deaf and dumb. He can talk also. He is under the treatment and will soon be fine. He is under treatment. Treatment is going on, sir. It is a little age. As the time goes, he will recover. Why you are telling him to take to the other school? He argued, but in the vain. There is no use at all. Other schools have the same say to say in despair. Same thing can give the other school reason also. Father and son returned home. They come with a bad thing, with the upset mood that. Though Avatar Narayan felt shattered, he felt very badly that it's a very worst condition of my son. It's a heart's broken to him, and he cannot go with the things what he want. Shatter means it is a temple loss. Okay, remember here, and he's trying to. He would give up hope after the unsuccessful expedition. What is he did not get successful to make his child to attend the school once again. He failed in that one. So that's why school Satish become very moody in the sense time to time the mood will changing of the Satish. What happened? He couldn't talk freely. He because his mental condition due to the hearing problem and leg operated, he is not feeling good due to that one. Mood is changing. Whenever he feels little good, he will talk, and whenever he is feeling pain or something putting pressing on the head, he is not talking like that freely with anyone because he was unable to hear a single word. Reason is he can't hear a single word due to his brother in the sat for hours with him and talked to him, teaching him words and pronunciation, unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the what happened. He is already facing the problem dumb and deaf, not speaking to them then, not going to school, staying at home. Now the another problem starts with that one. The neighbors are started teasing, neighbor boys are started teasing to that Satish here. Okay, neighborhood Satish even avoided going outside also. Finally he stopped going outside playing with the neighbor boys also because they are teasing to that Satish. His father and Inder spent time with him every day, taking to him, trying to teach him things. What started teaching him at home itself? What? If you want to get on in life, if you want to do something in your life, what you have to do? You have to read a lot. You have to read, study a lot of things. You can learn a great deal of things. How to chase the problem in the life? This is the time to test yourself. Do not disappoint, do not lose hope. They are trying to convince, giving inspiration, hope to come up in the life. This is the line he described. Reading. His father told Satish that giving him a handful of books. They told give the handful of the book, and Satish lived through them. He gone through them. Life of Garbandi. Many little stories that he has going through Garbandi. Translated in Urdu. He knows that one. Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand. Many good novels are there. Though he has read that one. Sarat Chandra and several other books he has studied. It was as if the whole world opened out for him. Now you can see that one. Either we have two things: one knowledgeable friend with you, or the books. Two things. He got the best friend as is in the form of a book. Started reading the book, and time is trying to spend. Satish become a voracious reader, continuous reading things with habit and change his mind, and that's it. Just 8-year, 10-year boy. My dear student, make the habit of reading yourself. Okay, sometimes even for the adults they made him feel depressed and left a deep impression upon his sensitive mind. What? His mind is very sensitive. Whose mind? Satish Gujral. Because it's not a simple mind. This mind become in future artist of a famous award-winning artist. That's why this is the symptoms he can see before reaching to his goal. He came to know of another world through them, a world of suffering and anguish. What? He brooded long and hard about why there was so much suffering in the world. He felt that something why there was so much suffering while his own world looked comfortable in comparison. He saw, read many of the things he come across. Why so much anguish, problems are there in this world? Being staying at safe home is comfortable in comparison with these things. I'm okay. Still, lot of things are. He felt that there is a huge problems in the world. Not only I am suffering from this leg operation and headache. He decided himself. This is the point he want. He cleared himself. Another bout of fever struck and Satish was confined to the bed. Again fever started and he was on the bed. All he could do was sit and stare out of the window. Now the turning point come. I told you before starting the story. Sitting in the bed and looking into the window. What happened? He felt lonely and full of despair at his plight. What happened? One day, this is a turning point. One day, when he was looking gloomily, looking continuously into the far concern of the corner of the garden, he saw a bird that was unlike. It is a different bird. He saw by sitting over window, and he saw his eyesight fell on the bird. That one, that's not a simple bird, not the same bird, and he had ever seen before. What? It had a longish tail. Longish tail bird is the interesting one, and longish tail bird. Interesting thing about the bird was it's a restless, continuously efforting to flying for that one. It is a very interesting and turning point on the impact of Satish mind. Okay, energy's eyes kept darting and here and there, looking here and there. Eyes, body is ready, flight, and moment for any moment for a long time. He stared continuously, watching or nododu. Okay, at the beautiful bird. When it flew away after the glance in his direction, Satish jumped down from his bed and looked out his notebook, took out his notebook and trying to draw that sketching of that bird from the memory with a few delt strokes, few rough strokes he has drawn that one. He liked to the picture and set it again the setback of the books on his beside table. So he started drawing the what he saw the bird, started drawing in the rough strokes in that one. Okay, he had discovered another pastime with he could indulge in. What is the pastime? He was free and including of that one, drawing this beautiful bird. He is sitting on his bed. He began filling pages and pages with the doodles. Something little drawing is to be drawing is that one. Stroke varied his moods, anger. Whenever the mood come, that type of the drawing is try to draw in that one. Happiness, happy type of the drawing pictures he draw. Mood, sadness, sad type of the drawing he draw that one. Soothing and harmless type of the drawing is trying to sketch that one. Okay, along with that one, he had always been good at Urdu calligraphy. He is always good with the Urdu calligraphy, knows that one, Urdu calligraphy, and also he took what that Urdu calligraphy. So sketching came naturally to him. So he is an artist. Sketching is very natural, and drawing of learning calligraphy, cursive writing in Urdu we call calligraphy. Okay, right to that one. However, his father was not amused. His father was not funny or entertaining here. He took away all the notebooks he had drawn. He has taken all the whatever pictures drawn notebook. He taken that one. My son, I don't want to him see as an artist. I want to be a good person or another occupation or any professional, but not an artist. But he is not interested in the drawing. Who's his father? But Satish is actually interested in drawing. Okay, artist, want to be artist. This is an idle pastime. It is a simply you are wasting time which is to be not in good condition. You can the ideal simply sitting one, okay, ideal pastime, but you could do better to read and get some knowledge. What if you do drawing, you will not get anything. If you read, you will get the knowledge, said his son. Who? Father. Satish sulked, Satish sulked that one and started to say something in the form of angry and refuse. He is not ready. What? His interest is refuse to stop drawing. No, I can't stop drawing. I want to go with that one. Why do you take away his sources of entertainment? Ask his mother. I told you, mother is there. Sources of entertainment. He felt happy for drawing that one. Why do you take all the sources of this entertainment? Oh, that I don't want him to start thinking that he can make a living out of drawing. I don't want to be an artist to him. So his life to be not connected with any part of the constant with a drawing one. I want to see is another person. Artists make a patents and live in poverty. Artists do not earn more money in simple of that line. Okay, it is no career for the bright boy. He is a very interesting, intelligent and bright boy. There is no career for him. That's why he want to do that things. He has to study. If he has to make something out of his life, he want to achieve something extraordinary to achieve his life and goal to get fame and famous and money. He should not to be a simple artist. He want to be do the things in different way. Besides, apart from this one, besides his hearing may return may anytime. You know that one already is suffering from the hearing problem. He hearing may return any point of the time. Okay, when it does not, thus he must be prepared to go back to the school, mustn't he? He asked. Father said, whenever the returns his hearing, he had to go to the school. It has been more than 3 years since he become ill. How do you possibly think that he can recover his hearing? His mother said, already 3 years are gone. How do you think that one probably his hearing will return? It might return or may not return. Mother is on the doubtful things. Okay, ask his mother. She felt hopeless and about her son's condition, but Satish's father wasn't about to lose hope. Satish's father is having hope that one or another the day my son will start hearing. Mother is not hoping with that one. Several visits to the doctors followed with nothing improved for the Satish. He remained in his silent word that only slogs him, make him to understand what kind of the child is. There is no change in that one. There is no change in that one. For being a painting, he managed to paint and draw in spite of his father's opposition. Father is totally against it. That one. Do not try to focus on the painting. Try to focus on the studies and all. I am not. Don't want to see as a painter. I want to see as a different person occupationally. One day when he was busy mixing with the colors on the platelet, in the sense mixing of the color with that one to draw or to paint that one, he became aware of his father standing at the door. He looked up to find him starting at the painting intently. Satish rendered. He remarked that one, but continuously with the mixing slowing, his father came into the room and sat next to his room. He was busy with the mixing of color to start up the painting, but he did not see his father sitting beside, and he came and watching him. What happened? You want to do this very badly, don't you? Father questioned here. It's a question tag here. Okay. Why you want to do this very badly, don't you? Father asked this one. He asked, had Satish had the power of hearing, he can listen, he would have heard the tremor in his father's. Little he was in the something is scolding on once again. He felt like that voice. As it was, he only read his lips, can't hear what his father said. He didn't reply. Avatar Narayan put his hands on Satish's shoulders. Satish was unable to believe that his father was not angry with his for this painting. Now he understands that father is all right with me, and this time father is not scolding on me, not scouting on me. Okay. Later, what happened? one month, so moment later, after the some time, his father left the room. When he returned a couple of hours later, arms were full of the painting, that is brush, related to the colors, all the things, shapes and sizes of different roles, drawing sheets. He bought all those things careful, set him down Satish table. He put all those things on the Satish table. Pitaji, he got very happy as soon as he see all the painting, that is things. Being sitting slowly, his father nodded his head, okay, smiled, and breaking at the corners of his mouth. His eyes remained sad though. So his father is so happy seeing, and son also got happy. They are each together. They are there for you, Satish. I will find out the best school of art of that. This is the what the taste of child. The father understand. To the every father, he must understand what my child is interested in, instead of arguing with this one. So we have to understand. Become a school artist. You will learn arts and make your life in your chosen life field. What you want to life in that you can enjoy. What you want to become, you can enjoy, and you can become a painter also, not an issue. Satish, eyes filled with the tears, and did an uncharacterized characteristic things. He can't think what my father has done for me. He hugged his father. He embraced his father tightly, his heart full of love for his father, who had at last accepted his destiny as lay in canvas and painting. He want to be a good painter. His father knows. That's why he accepted his what is one. Within a short time, he learned more than just painting. He learned about life. It is the boy now popularly known as Satish Gujral. He became a very famous artist, and he has become many of the things what he wanted in his life. This is the Satish Gujral picture you can see here, my dear student. He is the Satish Gujral, very famous artist of India. He has won many of the foremost artists of the India from the Satish Gujral. He is one of the few artists who accomplished in the several art of like painting, sculptures, architecture. And Gujral is also a writer. Along with the painter, he is also a writer. Exhibition of the works has been held all over the world and displayed in a prestigious museum like the Museum of Modern Art in New York, Hiroshima of collection, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, okay, Washington in America, also National Gallery of Modern Art in New Delhi. Also, he has published 4 books of his works in various arts. So he is having artist along with a good writer is there. So he is awarded for the Padma Bhushan, and also Embassy New Delhi has taken designed for the 20th century award. Also he has taken. His life achievement is ample proof that physical disability is, it's a very important that is line of the lesson, physical disability is no barrier to the success. Question asked in this way only. If you are physically handicapped, if you are physically unable to hear, listen, or can't see, can't walk also, it is not a barrier to the success. What you want in life is many of the stories related to that one. You will become what you want in your life. My dear student, try to the theme of the study is this lesson is physical disability is not a barrier to get success in life. This is if you are physically disabled, no doubt you will get success what you want, but your desires, achievement, continuous effort should be required to achieve that goal. This is the central point or the main point of the lesson we have to understand. Once again, my dear boys, I hope you understand this lesson. If anything doubt is, comment, or you can call my personal number, WhatsApp. You can chat with us to clarify with your doubt. My dear student, like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Exams are very soon. Try to prepare in a good manner so that you will get good number of marks. Thank you for watching with this one. Stay tuned for the next video.